Asked.
Good morning. Myself Manoj Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration. I would like to explain my article, Guidelines for Dialogue and User Interface Design. The design of computerized system determined whether it will be used or not over the period of time. The researchers DSS analyzed and designing and the decision makers have gathered several important points that may be considered as a principles of guidelines for dialogue and user interface design. Although the user interface centered to the system development, but the totality of experience also plays an important role. You must about user experience and ensure that the decision makers of the end user attains circumference of the satisfaction. Here the 10 user interface designs rules that must you follow when we have. That means the first one is the consistency. A decision support system software must look, feel and act similar throughout the color combination, theme and menu and display and visual must be a constant. It may be DSS look well throughout. Second one is the reduce information overload. The main objective of the decision support system is to reduce information overload and simplicity of things to be an possible. Probably that's why most organizations with computerized system and decision making, that means the human memory is a subject limitation when it comes to information processing. The learning commands wherever the design should be minimized and commands should be displayed and sequence action should be shortened. And third one is the creative. That means applying the minimum interface design. The interface should be applying, however you need to show your side must be a balance and the interactive and responsive. And fourth one is the information feedback. Users look forward to information feedback about the command they have given an action, and they performed minor commands may offer models and feedback wherever concerned. The feedback should be offered for the infrequent actions. And next one is the design interaction. The interaction of should be a sequence in order, beginning, the middle and end. So keeps in track of follow the dialogue. Next one is the anticipate errors. You need to anticipate possible errors that users and comparatives way to detect the error and to guide users what do you know. All some places the system make and users aware of the errors they going to make by the pressing of command. And seventh one is the permit actions. The permit actions that means include sometimes usually to make a mistake and that means inability to revise the action, but anxiety is users give them a flexibility to under they were unknowingly. It gives them confidence and try to new things and give users to make provide assailants and decision makers of DSS more frequently. Then they don't want for after same informations they log into the systems, provide them acceleration to shorten the interface and increasing the space and offer observation, automation, commandments, acceleration to be entered process of the decision making. So the provide documentation and help capabilities. A DSS though is not complete, it does not provide the documentation capabilities, but a users it may seem an incomplete. Such a capabilities as desirable because the most users want to document and major points of something that catches their attention. So this is the guidelines for dialogue and the user of interface. Thanks for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.